friends to the interesting module 1 of Vedic maths. Let's understand how we can make maths simpler and easier. Today in this module we are going to learn squaring numbers ending with 5. Now everybody knows that 5 square 5 into 5 is 25. So all numbers ending with 5 will have 25 at its end. Now let's look at some of the traditional method of multiplication of numbers ending with 5 like 35, 75, 105, 205. Let's see how the procedure goes and how many steps are involved and how much time is required to calculate them. Let's look 35 square. 35 into 35. Let's take this example and calculate what is 35 into 35 look like. First we multiply 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 5 3s are 15, add the 2, you get 175. Put a cross at the tens place and again multiply with the 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 is the carry, 3 3s are 9 and it add 1 you become 10. So the answer is you add the 2, your answer will become 1225. Let's take one more method of multiplying 75 into 75. 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 7 5s are 35, add the 2, you get 375. You put a cross at the tens place, now multiply with the 7. 7 5s are 35, again 3 carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 3, it gives you 52. You write the 52, add the 2 and then the answer becomes 7 plus 5 is 12 and 3 plus 2 plus 1 becomes 6 and you get 5625. So if you observe the pattern, then all the numbers having squares of 5 will have a 25 at the end. Now if you see this number at the tens place, this is 12 and this is 56. So if you link 3 with 12, 3 with 12 becomes 3 into dash is equal to 12 or 7 into dash is equal to 56. So here the answer is 4 and here the answer is 8. So if you see the pattern is this number at the tens place plus the number proceeding to it. So x into x plus 5 is the rule for Vedic math. So what you have to do is any number ending with 5, for the tens place the rule is add 1 to the tens place and multiply with the next number. So 3 plus 1 gives you 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 7 into 8 is 56. Now let's multiply all the numbers by Vedic method. 5 square becomes 25. 15 square becomes, you multiply 1 into 2, you get 225 is the answer. 25 square, take this number in the tens place, multiply with the 1 preceding it, 2 3s are, you get the answer as 625. 35 square becomes 3 into 4, which becomes 1225. Next is 45 square, take this number 4, multiply with the preceding number, 4 5s are 20 and your answer becomes 2025. Let's take 55 square. The number is in the tens place is 5, multiply with the 1 preceding it, succeeding it, 5 6 are 30 and the answer is 3025. Let's take 65 square, 6 into 7 becomes 42 and your answer is 4025. And now let's take 85 square, your answer will be 8 9s are 72 and your answer is 7925. Now let's change and look some more examples with 3-digit number. The 3-digit number, let's take 95 first. 95 will become 9 into 10 is 90, 25. After that we have 105 is the first 3-digit number. 105 square becomes 10 into 11. Your answer will be 110, 25. Now let's take 115 square, that becomes 11 into 12, which will give you 132.25. Now next take 125 square, where you have to multiply 12 into 13. Now let's multiply 12 into 13. 13 2s are 26, 2 is carry, 13 1s are 13 plus 2 becomes 156.25. So in this way, by calculating, you have seen the magic trick. Within seconds we have calculated at least 10 to 20 square numbers ending with 5. But in the traditional way, for calculating only square of 125, it would take that much time. So how simpler Vedic maths is, in this module we have learned how to square numbers ending with 5. We will continue this Vedic maths modules and let's see how interesting this becomes in the next module. I'll teach you some more interesting Vedic maths tips. I hope this module was interesting and you can calculate many more numbers ending with 5 in the similar way, whether it is 205 or 315 or 425 in the same way. Thank you.